We're talking about people with certain blood disorders like sickle cell disease who have used a government-approved gene editing medicine called Casgevy. Now with Casgevy, it's not like you're just taking a pill or getting an injection and having those edits done inside of your body. That's not what we're doing. In the protocol for Casgevy, you need to take the diseased cells that you want to edit. So in the case of sickle cell disease, it's your blood stem cells. You take them out of the body, you edit them in a dish, and then you put them back into the patient. Why? To reduce complications. When it comes to the edits themselves, there could be mistakes, and we call those mistakes off-target edits. These mistakes could include anything from just cutting in the wrong place on the DNA strand to editing the wrong type of cell if this were to just be dumped into the body without safeguards. So think wanting to edit the skin, and then you actually end up editing the muscle instead. That could cause serious health issues, including tumor formation, so we want to stay away from that. Scientists are also working on ways to send the editing tools to very specific diseased parts of the body. It's almost like giving them a mailing address. Theoretically, that would also minimize those off-target mistakes, but again, all of that is still in R&D. In the case of Casgevy, CRISPR is literally just zapped into the cells. These are just specialized electrical pulses that'll create tiny pores in the cell's membrane, just big enough for CRISPR to get inside of the cell. Now, the current standard of care for injectable medicines that involve the delivery of a payload usually requires the use of one of two things. So it's either going to be a special virus that's not going to make you sick. It's basically just like an Amazon package, really. They're not even able to replicate anymore. They've been stripped of all of those components. The second strategy involves something that the vast majority of us have already been exposed to. I'm talking about lipid nanoparticles, and these were used for the COVID vaccines. However, both of these are still foreign particles that are entering your body, and so they can still cause problems, especially when it comes to your immune system or your liver. Are we making amazing progress? Yes, definitely. And we're almost there. We're so close, but we're not quite there yet. So for now, editing them in a dish and then putting them back, that is the safest option that we have. I do just want to reiterate though that there are clinical trials ongoing looking at in vivo edits or edits that are done inside of your body, so don't rule that out just yet.
This clip is from Dr. Lyla's full episode on gene editing. Head over to the channel and check it out now, then subscribe so you never miss an upload.